Hello, good morning everyone. Okay, so we'll start. So today's topic is depreciation. In the previous chapter, we have studied about what is company, what is shares, debenture, types of share capital, and all we have already discussed about that. So today's topic is depreciation. What do you mean by depreciation? Anyone?
Wear and tear of asset.
Yes, wear and tear of asset, or you can say that the decreasing the value of asset over the period of time. When you purchase your asset, when it comes to use, the value कम होता है, it decreases the value. It's called depreciation because of wear and tear. See, if you can say that in the schedule 2 of the companies at 2013, now there is a required to allocation of your depreciation amount over the your asset your asset because of its useful life. Okay, because of its uses in the accounting standard 6 there is a depreciation. You can say that it's a decreasing. Depreciation is the decreasing in the value of asset due to wear and tear. Types of depreciation. There are two methods of depreciation. You can say mainly in market there are using of SLM and WDB. There are two different methods. Both are different. In SLM method is that is SLM is straight line method. WDB means written down value method. You
Written
can
down.
say yes. Uh, what happens in straight line method? Now you have to calculate your percentage on original cost in every year for every year. Now every year amount of depreciation will be fixed because we are calculating the same percentage on same amount on a same amount. That is your original cost for every year. But in WDB, you can say that you're calculating your percentage on opening balance of the current year. In the year opening balance, you have to calculate on that. Every year amount of depreciation will be changed because there is a changes in opening balance. So, but obviously there will changes in depreciation amount. Clear, everyone? So next you can say this is the formula for calculating the depreciation under SLM method. This is the formula. Every year formula you can say that cost of asset. Cost of asset that means you can say that the original cost for your asset. Okay. Less salvage value. Salvage value means you can say that the scrap value. Okay. Or you can say or residual value also. Both are same only. Residual you can say salvage, scrap, all are the same only. Upon useful life of the asset. This is the useful life, how much the asset you are using until the year you can use that. Clear, everyone? Okay. So next is formula for calculating depreciation under WDV method. You can say like, how can I calculate WDV under WDV, like how can I calculate the depreciation under WDV method? So this is the calculation for current year depreciation amount. If you want to know what is the depreciation amount for the current year in WDV method, so simply you can do closing value of your asset for the last year. What was the closing balance? You just take out the closing balance of value of asset less opening WDV amount. Opening, how much you have charged depreciation till now, less that amount and multiply with percentage you have given for the your asset. For example, say you can say that closing value of your asset may be 6 lakh, for example, just take it, and your opening WDV of the depreciation amount is 2 lakh something. So just 6 lakh minus 2 lakhs, you will get 4 lakh, and you have to calculate 4 lakhs into the percentage which I have given for the asset. Okay. Next is formula for calculating depreciation under SLM method. If you want to know the depreciation value of opening balance of depreciation amount under SLM method, You can apply this formula. You will get the amount. What you have to do? Opening balance of asset you have to take minus scrap value upon number of life multiply by you have bought the asset from which year. You have to calculate bought 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago. कितने साल पहले आपने खरीदा था? You have to multiply with that number of years ago purchase of assets. Clear that? If you didn't multiply with this number of years ago purchase, so you will get the current year amount, because in this year, in this chart slide, you have seen that depreciation per year formula will be cost of asset minus scrap value upon useful life of asset. Okay. Here also you can see that are same only. But in this, for the opening balance of depreciation in SLM method, you have to multiply numbers of years ago you have purchased the asset. Clear everyone? Okay, we'll go ahead. So this is the format of fixed asset schedule. This is the see in the accounting standard 6, they have provided you, the Companies Act, they have provided you the schedule, fixed format they have given you. So for like you have to they say for the purpose of, you can say, the disclosure of requirement of the fixed asset schedule. Now you have to prepare. See, company prepares this schedule. So what is this? You can say that the fixed schedule issued, it's like balances of fixed asset, you can say, in the company's book, because company is maintaining their balances in fixed asset schedules. You can say that the company can prepare in the end of the year, because accounting we have done in the year only. P&L balance sheet we कब बनाते हैं हम लोग? Year end में ही prepare करते हैं ना. So for the purpose of this, company can prepare format of fixed asset schedule at the end of the. So this is the format you can see. Particulars. In particulars, you can write your asset, how many assets are there, like this, for example, say machinery, building, furniture. So you can write one by one: machinery, furniture, building. There are three: gross block, depreciation, and net block. Gross block, what you have to do: opening balance is there, purchases is there, sales and closing. So here, opening balance, in the column of opening, you can write your opening balance of your asset. If, for example, say I have taken plant and machinery. In particular, I have written plant and machinery. So I have to write in gross block opening. So what is the cost for the I have purchased? Like what is the opening balance? And उसमें purchases भी है. So for the current year, आपने कुछ purchase किया है या नहीं? For the current year की बात चल रही है. In the year, purchase और sales आपको जो देखना है वो current year का देखना है. Opening, that is original cost of your asset, that is purchase. If you made any purchase in the during the year, you can write over here. If you made any sales during the year, you can less from here, so you will get the closing. That means formula is opening plus purchase minus sales, you will get your closing of gross block. This is the formula. What is the formula? Opening you have to take, plus during the year if you have made any purchases, add that. If you made any sales, just less it that, you will get the closing of gross block. Clear everyone? Okay, next is depreciation. So for here you have to calculate in the, see, for the WDV, under the WDV methods, opening will be given. For the SLM, you have to calculate your opening. So here, this is the formula. I have last one for opening balance of the depreciation amount under SLM. For the opening balance of depreciation. So this is the calculation under SLM method. In WDV method, always given. Clear everyone? For the current year, I have given you the formula. You have to calculate. For the, see, for WDV method, you can see this is the formula. Closing value of asset minus opening WDV into multiply with percentage whatever given. And okay. So next, so in the depreciation, opening plus current year depreciation. In the depreciation column, depreciation opening plus current year depreciation add is equal to closing depreciation. Okay, everyone is clear? Okay, next is net block. If you want to know the net opening net block, just opening minus opening. If you want to know the closing net block, just closing minus closing. Gross block closing minus depreciation closing, you will get net block closing. If you want to know the opening net block, just minus gross block opening minus depreciation opening. You will get net block opening. Clear? Everyone? For the
Yes.
calculation, net block opening, if you want to know, gross block opening minus depreciation opening. For the closing purpose, gross block closing minus depreciation closing. You will get net block closing. This was the format that company makes in the end of the year before the P&L and balance sheet is finalized. This preparation, like this format of, you can say that they prepare in the end of the year. But what do you mean by gross block, depreciation and net block? See, as I told you, in the particular column, you can write your asset, plant and machinery, building, furniture, etc. But what do you mean by gross block? So next is gross block. See, you can say that the fixed asset, which is the historical cost, you can say that. Like gross block, you can say like original cost paid for the asset, original cost paid for the asset without any depreciation deducted. That means original cost only. कितने में आपने खरीदा, that is your gross block. Clear everyone? See, you can say that historical cost, like I said, as I told you, like original cost, you can say that the historical cost also. Historical cost like asset, purchase price, you can say. Purchase price, and after that installation charges you can add in that. Okay. Next is net block. See, net block, if you want to know the net block, now you just do the less that asset. Like you have to calculate your depreciation amount. So just do gross block minus depreciation, you will get net block amount. So this is accumulated depreciation, means total amount of depreciation you have charged on this asset. Okay. So what percentage you are charging the asset now on asset, this is called as depreciation. Because of wear and tear. So total amount of depreciation, got everyone? Gross block minus depreciation, you will get net block. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll go ahead. Just take one example of this chapter. How to calculate depreciation. So we'll take the one example. The question. Prepare a fixed asset schedule for the year from the following information. This the information are provided to you. You just read out that and you have to prepare a fixed asset schedule. I have explained you the format also. So first one is cost of asset. There are three types of asset I have. So you can write in particular like three types of asset: plant and machinery, building and furniture. Okay, clear? So here you can see that plant and machinery of rupees 8,50,000. So 8,50,000 is my opening balance. It's my historical cost. You can say I have purchased the plant and machinery for rupees 8,50,000 2 years ago. Got everyone? That for same as building also, I have like building purchase of rupees 8 lakh 4 years ago back. Furniture you have purchased of rupees 1 lakh 3 years ago you have purchased. So in this situation, you can see that you can like fill this. This is the format as I told you. 1 second. So in the particular, you can write your plant and machinery, building and furniture. So your gross block opening also are given. Like this is 8 lakh 50 for plant and machinery, 8 lakh for building and 1 lakh for furniture. So you have to write in opening. In this year, opening year is given. Clear everyone? So this is the solution. You can see. No, this is the question also. So this is the solution. You can see that in the particular section, plant and machinery, building and furniture I have written. Plant and machinery gross block opening. In the gross block opening, there is 8 lakh 50 for plant and machinery, 8 lakh for building and 1 lakh for furniture. From where I got this? The question they are provided. Cost of asset. Clear everyone? Yet I have not used this 2 years, 4 years and 3 years back. वो यूज नहीं किया अभी तक हम लोगों की इधर भी. We have just used the plant and machinery, building and furniture. वो हमने लिखा particular में. They were given the opening balance also. I have written that also in the gross block opening. Clear everyone? You have made the purchases of fixed asset. You have purchased furniture of rupees 50,000. And plant and machinery also you have purchased. See, purchase price includes your carriage and installation charges also. Huh? So here you can see that you have purchased plant and machinery of rupees 95,000. You have to add your carriage or installation charges 5,000. So your plant and machinery amount will be 1 lakh. Clear? So you have to write in purchase section, gross block purchase section. Furniture you have purchased 50,000. Plant and machinery purchase 1 lakh rupees. So here you can see the purchase side. Plant and machinery, I told you 95,000 plus 5,000 is equal to 1 lakh. So here in purchase, you have to write 1 lakh. You have not purchased anything building for the current year. So it's dash for this. And after that, this is the furniture you have purchased 50,000 in the current year. Got everyone? Clear? Anyone have any doubt in opening or purchase? Anyone? Okay. So as I told you, this is the cost of asset. A part is cost of asset. That means they have provided the original cost of asset. Plant and machinery they have purchased 2 years back of rupees 8,50,000. I have written in opening section of gross block. After that, they have purchased the building also of rupees 8 lakh 4 years back. Furniture also they have purchased 1 lakh rupees 3 years back. B part is saying like you have purchased for the during the year. You have purchased furniture also you have purchased 50,000. So you can write in purchase column. You can say the addition also. Okay. And you have purchased plant and machinery also. You have to add your original cost. See, original cost is you can say the expenses also you have made before the purchasing, before the installation the asset. So 95,000 plus 5,000, that is 1 lakh. Clear everyone? This point has been clear by you? Okay. So third is sale of fixed asset. In the first part, they have given you the original cost of asset. In B part, they have told you about the purchases they have made. In the C part, they have told you like they have made the sales of fixed asset. That is plant and machinery 50,000. So what you have to do is you have to deduct this from your over here. You have made only one sale of plant and machinery. There is no sale of building and furniture. So I have made dash over here. Clear everyone? Please. Okay. So what? How will get your gross block closing? As I told you, you have to do opening plus purchase minus sale. So in this situation, plant and machinery opening was 8 lakh 50. You have made purchase during the year, so 8 lakh 50 plus 1 lakh, that is 9 lakh 50. You have made sale also, less 50,000 you have sale. So how much closing are there? Plant and machinery 9 lakh closing are there rupees. Okay, clear everyone? Did you understand how to find the gross block closing?
Yes.
Okay. So for the purpose of we are doing fixed schedule, we are preparing as a WDV method. We'll solve this question by two methods. First we'll take WDV method, second we'll take SLM method. Okay. This question has to be both solution. So this is the WDV method. So first you have to find depreciation opening. So as I told you, in WDV method, opening will be given to you. So this is, you can see the scenario 1 and scenario 2. So scenario 1 is for WDV and scenario 2 is for SLM. So if we are talking about WDV method, so here you can see that they have given you the depreciation opening amount and they have given you the percentage for the current year you can charge. Okay. So plant and machinery opening is 2,40,634. So you can write over here depreciation opening 2,40,634. So here you can like say the depreciation opening of building. So that is 1,48,935. So here you can see the in depreciation opening column 1,48,395. Clear everyone? For the same also, furniture also, you can write 45,065 in depreciation column on the opening 45,065. Clear? For the purpose of current year depreciation in WDV method, I told you take your closing balance of your asset less opening of your depreciation and multiply with the percentage you have given. So just take a calci in your mobile, or you can say if you have calci. So what you do? Gross block closing, that is we are calculating plant and machinery. Gross block closing, that is 9 lakh. You have to less your depreciation opening, that is 2,40,634. Just less it. How much amount will be there? LC यूज कर रहे हो ना आप लोग? See, for the current year of your depreciation, you have to do 9 lakh, that is for plant and machinery closing balance, that is 9 lakh. 9 lakh minus 2,40,634. Okay, so you will get your amount, that is 9 lakh minus 2,40,634. You will get 6,59,366. You will get that. So there is a percentage also they have given for the plant and machinery. You have to calculate 15%, 15.33% you have to calculate for WDV method. Clear everyone? For
Yes.
current year, plant and machinery percentage they have given 15.33%. So now what you have to do? Closing balance, that is plant and machinery 9 lakh. Depreciation opening, that is 2,40,634. You have to less that. You will get amount of rupees 6,59,366. On that you have to charge 15.33%. That is plant and machinery they have given 15.33%. You will get 101081, that is 1,01,081 rupees. If you will calculate now, so you will get 1,01,080 rupees 0.80 paisa. So I have taken over here round off, that is 81 rupees for the current year. Clear everyone? So how we will find out your current year depreciation in WDV method? Just tell me.
Closing minus
So,
opening percent.
Yes, closing minus opening multiply by percentage, you will get the current year. For for building also you can do that. Closing balance is 8 lakh and the depreciation opening is 1,48,000. You can calculate over here 1,48,395. You will get 6,51,605. So you have to multiply the percentage. So for the building, they have given you the 5% they have provided. So multiply by 5%, you will get 32,580.25 paisa. So I am not taking the 25 paisa because it's 50 paisa or more than that. So I have taken 1 rupee. So here you have I have taken 32,580 rupees. Clear everyone? Okay, for the furniture
Yes.
also you have to do same. Take 1,50,000 closing and 45,065. 45 15,000 1,50,000 minus 45,000 45,065 rupees. You will get 1,04,935. You will get over here. You have to calculate furniture percentage is given 18.1%. Now it's not 18. So you will take 18 only. So answer will be different. It's multiply by 18.1%. So you will get 18,993. So I have taken 18,993. Clear everyone? How to calculate the your current year depreciation in under the WDV method? How you will get the depreciation closing?
Addition of opening plus current year.
Yes, addition of opening plus current year, you will get the closing of depreciation. Okay. How you will get the net block opening? As I told you, opening minus opening you can do. Okay. So opening is my 8,50,000 and depreciation opening is 240,634. That means 2,40,634. You have to less that, you will get net block opening. That is 6,09,336. Clear everyone? For the purpose of
Yes.
calculating closing net block, just do gross block closing, that is 9 lakh, minus depreciation closing, that is 3,41,715 rupees. You will get 5,58,285. Clear everyone? Anyone any
Yes.
doubt in this?
No.
Okay. Here you can see the solution also. मैंने जो आपको बोल के बताया वो यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा भी है आप लोगों के लिए. You can take a picture also of this, so you will understand what is the calculation. So how you will get this amount? Okay, clear everyone? Anyone has any doubt in this? Okay. Okay, so we'll continue. We'll do same sum, but under the SLM method we can do. Okay, same format you have to take, same amount also. For the opening will be same only na. Further also will be same only, like in the so method will be changed. So here you can see the difference in current year of depreciation amount will be changed. Opening of depreciation amount will be changed. बाकी सब same होगा यहाँ पे. Because you have like plant and machinery opening balance 8,50,000. Here you can see, here in WDV method also you can see, yeah. Plant and machinery 8,50,000. You have made 1 lakh purchase. Sale is 50,000 and closing is 9 lakh. Here, so gross block will be same for the if you do SLM method or you do WDV method. Gross block will be same. But for the depreciation, amount will be changed because the calculation are different. In WDV method, I told you of the opening balance of depreciation, they will provide you. But in SLM method, they will not provide you. You have to calculate by the formula. I've explained you na formula. What is the formula for that opening balance? This is the working note, you can say. This is the opening depreciation. You can find out. What is the original cost minus scrap value divided by number of your lives. If you multiply number of years ago purchases, so you will get the opening balance. अगर आप लोग इसको multiply नहीं करते हो, you will get the current year of a depreciation. Clear everyone? Formula is same for current year also and the opening balance also, but after that you have to multiply with number of years ago you have purchased the machinery or asset. You can say that. Okay. So here you can see that plant and machinery. My opening cost, original cost you have to take. So original cost is over here, huh? Opening balance. 1 second, just. Yes. So as I told you, this is the opening balance of depreciation under SLM. You have to calculate. The formula is original cost minus scrap value upon number of life. You have to multiply with number of ago you have purchased the asset. So in this situation, plant and machinery was my opening balance was 8 lakh 50. Gross block opening is 8 lakh 50. Less scrap value. In this question I have not given you the scrap value, that means 8 lakh 50 only original cost. Upon you have to you can see over here, 1 second. So this is the, yes, upon number of lives. So in the question you can see now there is the life given in this question. 1 second. Yeah, scenario 1 and scenario 2. So in scenario 2, you can see they have given you the useful life of the assets. Plants and machinery is 8 years. This is the life. Building 60 years. Furniture is 10 years. So for the purpose of formula, you can take the calculation like this. For example, say your opening cost is plant and machinery will be 8 lakh 50 example. So you have to less scrap value. In this question, there is no scrap value. So 8 lakh 50 upon number of years life, that is 8 years for plant and machinery. So you have to divide 8 lakh 50 divided by 8. And after that you have to multiply of year you have purchased before the year. So you can see in the question, you have bought your plant and machinery 2 years ago. Can you see cost of asset? So the formula will be 8 lakh 50 minus scrap value. Scrap value is not there. So you can take 8 lakh 50 directly. So 8 lakh 50 upon 8, because number of life is given in scenario 2 is 8 years. You have to multiply with number of years you have purchased. So you can see in the bracket brought 2 years ago. Clear everyone? So here you can see for the purpose of SLM calculation. So 8 lakh 50 minus 0 because scrap value is not there upon 8 because number of life for the plant and machinery is 8. Multiply by 2 because I have purchased the plant and machinery because 2 years back. Okay, so you will get the opening of depreciation under SLM method. Clear everyone? So you have got 2 lakh 12,500. So here you can see the depreciation opening 2 lakh 12,500 for plant and machinery. For building 53,333 rupees and 30,000 for furniture. So here you can see that both amount over here. Building 53,333. From where you got this? 8 lakh was the opening cost minus scrap value. There is no scrap value upon number of lives. That is 60 years. Useful life. Multiply by you purchase the number of year purchase ago. So that was the building I have purchased 4 years back. So multiply by 4. Clear everyone this?
Yes.
Okay, so here you can see that opening balance of your depreciation. For the purpose of current year, if you want to know the current year depreciation, you just calculate your same formula will be, but you don't want to like you don't just multiply with your number of years you have purchased. Okay, you just divide by 8 lakh 50 divided